Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not go away without clicking on the subscribe button down below, and don't click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, as you can see, today's video is about my natural hair. As you can see, my braids just went out, as in I had a cornrow, so I just took them out because I am about to try this Cantu shea butter for natural hair deep treatment hair mask. So this is my first time I'll be trying this mask. I've seen some reviews on YouTube here saying it is very good, while some people said it's actually made their hair tough and it wasn't good for them. So me, I'm going to be trying it for the first time because I do use Cantu products a lot. I love Cantu products. I use the leave-in conditioner and the shampoo. Even for my kids' hair, I always use the leave-in conditioner for them. But for this hair mask, I have never tried it before. This is going to be my first time. So this is actually like a review. I want to see how this will work well for my hair. It said it is made with shea butter, intense conditioning treatment helps restore and strengthen dry, damaged hair while boosting moisture retention. I actually want that moisture retention on my hair. It says it has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens or mineral oil. Whatever that is, I don't know. So how is it used? First, let's see the benefit. It said provide shea butter infused moisturization to hair for an intense treatment to help straighten dry damaged hair, made with pure shea butter. Cantu restore your real authentic beauty. Embrace your coily or wavy hair with Cantu. Okay, let's see. No mineral oil, sulfate, parabens. Okay, you said that before. Okay, directions for use. Let's see now. For intense conditioning of dry damaged hair, apply generously to clean damp hair. Okay, it means I have to go wash my hair now with shampoo and wash it very clean. Okay, and what else? Cover hair with plastic cap and apply moderate heat. Oh, you have to apply heat for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Okay, I will try it. Let's see. Styling tip: for a defined and bouncy wash and go, cocktail Cantu moisturizing coil activator cream and Cantu coconut curly cream. I actually have Cantu coconut curly cream here. I have the leave-in conditioner. Okay, let me try this. Let's see where it goes. So guys, I want to go wash my hair now and make it damp. Then I'll come and apply this for you guys to see. So guys, I am back from washing my hair. So it is damp now, as you can see. So we will be applying the mask now. I wish I could just section my hair. Yeah, let's see, is it clean? Is my hair clean? Okay, it is. Is it clean? Yeah, it's clean. So my hair is damp. I'll just try to section it in 4 and we'll apply the mask on it in 4. Okay, so this is it. So here is the mask. Let me show you how it looks like, guys. Creamy. Are you guys seeing it? So we'll start applying now. I'm supposed to cover with a bag for 15 minutes and apply heat. So cover with a bag. But yes, nice as it is on mine, because for me, I like it. I can feel my hair. It's really soft and fluffy. So guys, that is it for this video. I do hope you find this demo and my review helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.